guys, Sarah here, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a new release video for you. I've got the brand new collection Road Trip that came out just yesterday, and I also grabbed a bunch of others that have come out since the last new release video I did, so I thought I would show you them as well while we're here. Alright, let's get started. So first up, let's look at the Ultimate Kit format for the Road Trip, and I'll just zoom this right in here. Alright, so this is a purchased artwork that you probably see getting about a lot of stores. I did change the colors on this quite a lot. There was a lot of orange and peachy type tones, which I'm not particularly a fan of, but I did really like the artwork in this one. So I did change it up quite a lot to get it to be more my sort of coloring. So that's why it's probably quite different to how you see it used in other stores. So this is the full boxes sheet. And so this is the new format change that came out in the kit last week. So this is the new format you'll see across the Ultimate Kits now. So we do have 2 sets of date covers and 2 weekend banners now, so that can be used in 2 weeks. Check boxes. So that's the Ultimate. The Essentials, so this format hasn't changed. Now we also brought back the horizontal for this kit this week. I don't have it here with me today just because I thought this video is going to go for a really long time if I show you all the formats, but the format hasn't changed for the horizontal from the last horizontal kits that I released. But what did change and what I brought back was the personal format. So that's it there. It's a little bit different to the format that I used to offer for personal kits, so it's just those 2 sheets. Now the new thing that was launched last week that I'm really excited about is the Builder Kit option. So this is basically, I was kind of inspired by thinking, when I was reformatting the last version of the Ultimate Kit, I was just thinking there's so many things in here that like some people are just never going to use, and yes, they can buy the individual a la carte sheets, but sometimes like there's other things on that sheet that they may not use. So then I was just thinking, what if there was a way that you could completely customize and design your own kit so that it's got in it exactly what you want and none of the extra stuff, you don't feel like you're wasting things, you can save a lot of money, and that is where the idea of Builder Kit came from. So there's, I think, 2 sheets in here that are exactly the same as the Ultimate. So the first is this one. So if you want all of the 9 full boxes, they're available just like this. And then same with the check boxes sheet. So if you're into check boxes, you can buy a whole sheet of them, still exactly the same. And pretty much everything after this changed to some level. So this is the vertical sampler sheet. So we've got 3 full boxes and then a bunch of functional items here. These are just the little washi strips, habit trackers, headers, checklist strips, date covers, icons, deco samplers, glitter headers, the bottom washi, and then that's just one sticker there as well that you can use kind of like the other washi strips, a functional sampler, little things for those who use little things, and then the half boxes. So these are the standard size half box. These 2 rows here are a little bit smaller, and then we've got a bunch of page flags in 3 different sizes, and then the appointment label. So that is the Builder Kit format, so that you can kind of pick and choose to design your own kit with exactly what you want in it. So prices start at $2 per sheet. So that is the Builder Kit format for the new kit Road Trip. The next collection I'll show you is Queen Royalty. This is one that came out last week. I won't show you all the different formats it came in, I'll just show you the Builder Kit version of this one. So this is the full boxes, the vertical sampler, the bottom washi, deco samplers, headers, half boxes, check boxes, habit trackers, checklist, functional sampler, glitter headers, date covers, the fashion girls, so we've got 4 different options there, icons, little things, washi strips, and the flags and appointment labels. So again, that is the Queen Royalty kit. So next up we have the Hello Winter collection, which was a photography based kit. I know a lot of us in Australia, we don't really get much snow here, so I didn't want to include much snowy type things. I know we have some people that buy our kits that do live in areas with snow, so there's like a tiny little bit across the bottom here, but for the most part it's not very snowy, just so that it appeals to a lot of people. And these are all the sheets here. There's no deco in this kit since it's a photo kit. Nice and cozy and warm looking. I did include some of the Candy Pip Squad girls in here just because I thought that their pink hair kind of suited this kit, so that's why they're in there. So that's the ultimate format. The essentials, just like this. And then this one, so this kit came out I think 2 weeks ago, but just yesterday I released the Builder Kit version of this kit. This was the one I put a poll up in the Facebook group for which kit you would like next available in the Builder Kit format. I think at the time when I started on this, Hello Winter was winning the poll, but I think Succulents has taken over, so I'll try and get Succulents released fairly soon for you. So this is the full boxes, vertical sampler, check boxes, glitter headers, icons, date covers, the bottom washi around the way, habit trackers, the washi strips, headers, checklist strips, flags and appointment labels, functional sampler, little things, and the half boxes. I flew through that pretty quickly just because I didn't want this video to go too long. Now also, matching that kit is the June monthly kit. So all the same photos and colours used in this one. Now recently I also did bring back the monthly notes page to match the monthly kit, so that is available now as well for this kit, and that looks like this for this month. So they do match the monthly kit, but they don't actually say the month anywhere on it, so you can use it in any month that you want. So that's the 2 pages there. So this is formatted for the Erin Condren monthly notes page, but you could use it in other planners as well if the planner works for it. So that is it. And the last thing I have, I nearly forgot, is another personal format. I released it for the Planner Girl, which is one of our best sellers, so I thought I would bring this one out in the personal format as well. So that's all the new releases I have for you for this week. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any. Bye for now!